2 years ago when I was working at the STEAM Center, we had two professionals from ManeGait reached out to us with a problem. ManeGait is a company that provides brain building therapy to individuals with disabilities, also to veterans and to first responders.
Our focus is the brain. We use certain tools, and one of those tools is to activate their vestibular system. That's your body's balance, your GPS. And so we showed one of our tools. It was an astronaut board.
Their astronaut board was falling apart. It had been built years and years ago by some students over at the high school, but with many, many years of wear and tear, it was wearing out. And they are a nonprofit organization, and they were looking to see if we wanted to partner with them to build them a new astronaut board.
We saw their model and we made a model for us.
Over at the STEAM Center, we have a makerspace with all the tools needed to be able to create that astronaut board and create that final product.
We designed it, we brought them in, we showed and we created the toolpaths, and with a student of mine who's now graduated, of course, and we cut out the large wheels for them.
Tito and I worked together with designing the new bearing solution to make it be a lot quieter. And then we also we finished up the final steps of adding the handles on and then getting the foam cut and put on there.
Well, astronaut bed.
ManeGait came back out to the STEAM Center, and we were able to provide them that finished product that now will be utilized in their different therapy sessions that they provide.
This is a big deal. So we thank you guys. We thank all of you guys.